Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes, and I work for Analysis Prime as a senior consultant in the experts team. Today I'm going to go over one of the recent enhancements in the first quarter of 2024 release. And today I'm going to talk about the Geo Map filters are now supported for dynamic text. And I'll explain that, we'll build a Geo Map, and then I'll explain how to add that dynamic text. So the first thing we want to do is add a Geo Map. And we're going to add a layer and the store location. And then we need to add the filter of the location. We'll add 3 of them. And we'll do bubble color is see revenue. And then at this point we can add a dynamic text here. Now, prior to adding the location in the filter, so right here you have to have this location in the filter, or else it will not populate for the dynamic text here as a filter. So this wouldn't be located here otherwise. So because it is, we can go ahead and add that. So you can see that is exactly what we filtered for here. And we can do some quick increase the size of that. And outline that, put a border around it, and there we go.